Hello Froomvale citizens and welcome to Friday. It's been a great week of home learning and school learning. We've seen some fabulous things. I've heard some fabulous sessions online, and in fact most of the certificates today are going to those children at home who've joined online to do their learning with their teachers. So I'm going to get straight to that. So our first one is for reception class for Sam. It says for making excellent progress with his independent writing. That's fabulous to hear, Sam. In year 1 we have Reese. This is for displaying a positive attitude towards his learning, inspiring others to try their best. Sounds fabulous, Reese. In year 2 we have Ruby for trying really hard with her letter formation. I've heard all about that, Ruby. Well done. In year 2 we have Zane for participating really well online. In year 3 we have Jaden, also for fantastic engagement in live lessons online. And then in year 4 we have Sienna for consistent engagement in live learning lessons and excellent independent learning at home. Well done. In year 5 we have Ravi for great home learning and participation online. And in year 6 we have Endry for showing wonderful independence and diligence in remote learning all week. That's absolutely fabulous. So if you are learning at home, it would also be fabulous to see more of your work coming back in, because we know you're working really hard, and in order to support you with your learning further, your teachers need to see some more of your work. So please can you make sure you share that with us as well using the email system that we have set up. If you're not sure, ask your teacher when you are online during one of the sessions. Okay, so we have some birthdays to celebrate since last week. So we have in year 1 Abdul, in year 5 Yanis, and in year 3 Gino. So happy birthday to all those people, and make sure you celebrate well. So make sure you have a good weekend and keep in touch with us if you are working at home, and we look forward to sharing our learning all again next week. Bye bye.